Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm excited to cook another meal today. Actually, I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I pre-made some of it already, so this video doesn't have to be like 30 minutes long again. So I have a great honor to make a lemon chicken or the chicken piccata for a friend of mine, Rob Cook. As far as I know, he doesn't really cook, so I'm super excited to feed all my friends that don't know how to cook and kind of stranded at home without a homemade meal. So here I am. I actually pre-made the chicken. I will show you. It took me about an hour and a half to bake it. It's a piece of chicken breast. Let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so chicken breast, what happened to this was I seasoned it with salt and pepper and lots of lemon. I actually added some lemon pepper and I put some chicken broth at the bottom of this dish, okay, and cut up some celery, tomatoes, onions, same onions that I used last time, red pearl onions, tomatoes, and parsley, and carrots. Cut up the vegetables, just put them all around my meat and actually submerged it in the chicken stock. Put some, again, salt, pepper, with some extra lemon juice on it, and put it all in the oven for about an hour and a half at the 300, you can do 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So the longer you cook at the lower temperature, the tender the meat is going to be. So far, let me check. Nice and tender. Okay, vegetables looked cooked as well. Let me put this to the side and I will proceed with the lemon sauce for the chicken and for the pasta. I actually pre-made the pasta as well. Just a regular spaghetti boiled in water with a little salt. So what we'll need for the sauce is so excited. I hope he likes it. I'll need some butter. I'll need some capers. You have to drain the sauce from the jar. These are the capers that I used. Okay, and I have some garlic. I have some parsley and lemon, of course. I kind of make up my own recipe, so usually whatever I have at home, I just add to it, just follow my heart. Let me wash my hands. And we'll get to it. Okay, I'm going to melt the butter. Oh, we'll need olive oil as well. So what I'm gonna add, can you see my pot? Okay, I'll do some olive oil in a pot. This is the sauce that I'm gonna mix with the pasta, okay? And so when you kind of eat it all together with the chicken, it's gonna be all nice and lemony. Olive oil. I'll chop up the parsley. Okay. I'll add some chicken stock to mix it with the oil. Okay. I'll chop up the garlic. Rob, I hope you like garlic. Okay. Okay. Perfect. See my, okay. Can't see. Okay. Let me check on this. I'm gonna do pretty high temperature, okay? So I can, let me see. All right, I'm gonna add my garlic. Nice and sizzling. Oh, it smells so good. In just a minute, I will add my parsley. I will add some lemon juice, salt and pepper. I will rinse my pasta meanwhile. Use my strainer. Every time I make pasta, I like to wash it again so it doesn't get sticky. Okay. So here's my pasta, and the sauce is in the mix. Oh, so good. All right. Oh gosh, I'm hungry. See if I can move this tray here. All right. All right. Let me see how this is looking. Fabulous. Okay. I'll do the capers. I'll peel some onion. So how's your day going, you guys? You staying busy? Watching any movies? Going for walks? Staying home? What's going on? Big spoon of butter that I'm going to mix in just a second. Let me see what kind of dish I can use to serve this chicken. What I actually might just do is give you my plate, Rob, and then I'll just ask you to return it whenever you can. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, let me mix up some butter. All right. Chicken looks so good. I hope you like it, Rob. Okay, let me see. Let me look at dishes one more time. I used to have a lot of nice serving dishes, but not anymore. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this tray so I can actually fit the pasta, with the sauce and chicken and vegetables, okay? That's what I'm going to do. Let me wash this for now. So this is a really simple dish. I actually always feel like less is more. So I used to use a lot of different seasonings and try to get fancy, but I realized that once I keep it really plain, you know, all my friends and my family enjoys the food much more. Just very simple: salt, pepper, lemon juice. Just keep it plain, you know, and it's so good. All right. Let me add a little more of chicken stock. Because, you know, once the sauce has to be relatively runny, because if you make it too thick and let the pasta sit in the sauce for too long, the pasta will absorb the sauce and there'll be no sauce left. So I'm going to bring the food to my friend in about 45 minutes. So once I put it all together, it's gonna be actually be perfect time. I hope he can just eat it right away as well, so it doesn't get cold. Okay, so let me get the pasta. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm actually gonna leave the pasta in here and I'm gonna mix in the sauce in my skillet. And then I'm going to pour it over the chicken. Sounds good? Lemon. Oopsie. All right. Lemon. Okay. Okay. I'm going to try it. It does have to taste good. My goodness, delish. Okay. Actually, I don't think I need to add anything. If it gets too lemony, you can always do a pinch of sugar. Yes, I know it sounds funny, but sugar will take out the sourness. Even when I make cabbage, if it's too cabbagey, add a pinch of salt, sugar. But it's perfect actually right now. Let's see. Just thinking what else I can do. You know, I can make myself coffee. Meanwhile, I love Lavazza coffee. I love Illy coffee. Lavazza is Italian. I believe Illy is as well. And then Jacob's coffee, the German one. I get my coffees from Europe whenever I travel to visit my family in Lithuania or Poland. And I like French press. So I use my French press machine and my milk steamer to make my coffee delicious and presentable. Just clean up a while. Okay. I'll pour the sauce. Let me show what it looks like. I'll pour it over the pasta, okay? And try to mix it up. Oh, don't let me forget about Parmesan cheese. You wanna just put some Parmesan cheese on right before you eat, in the very top of your dish. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. And let it simmer at a lower temperature. Okay, I am going to try it. Amazing. You know what I need though? I feel like I need a little more butter. So let me melt more butter with the pasta directly and the sauce. And my water is boiling. I am going to make my coffee. Okay. This is my steamer. I use Secura. It just steams your milk very easily. Okay, so here's I seal my coffee in a plastic bag so it doesn't evaporate. I'm going to get my French press. Since I already have coffee in the morning, I am going to make a small one right now. So just 1 spoon of coffee. And I'll pour it. Turn it off, take it stove. Okay. So the way you do it, you just cover the grounds initially and let it sit for just a little bit, okay? It has to brew. It tastes really, really good when you actually let it sit all together for about 6 minutes before you consume it. And another trick, have a glass of water before you drink your coffee. That will satisfy the thirst and also clean your palate. And at that time, you'll really enjoy your coffee. All right, so let it sit. And then I'm going to pour a little more water. And I'm going to let it stay like that before I push the plunger down. Okay, so let me move this to the side for just a brief second. Okay, so here's our chicken. Vegetables, fantastic. This whole thing in. Okay. Put the chicken at the very top. And you know, when you slow cook the meat, it always produces some sort of juice directly from the meat and the vegetables. So I'm gonna pour this all over the chicken and my pasta, okay? I might put the vegetables to the side just in case My friend does not like the vegetables touching his chicken. All right. Okay, and I'm gonna pour the sauce on the vegetables and directly on the chicken. Okay, I don't know if you can hear my son, but he's playing Fortnite with a buddy of his. He had a Zoom call with his teacher. He said it was great. I wish we actually had those every day, but it's only on Thursday mornings, and the rest of it is me homeschooling him. Okay, I'm gonna decorate it with some parsley. I'm gonna wash it again. Okay. Okay. It's all about presentation, you know? Food always tastes better when it's served in a nice dish, a nice place. It's that whole mood that we get into. Put this right here. Could be the same type of chicken, but if you serve it on a paper plate, it's not gonna taste as good. Same with coffee. You serve it in a nice coffee mug versus a paper cup. It'll taste much, much better from the mug. Telling you. Okay. Let me change the seeds. This lemon, for some reason, have a lot of seeds. Okay. All right. So here's my dish. I'm gonna just decorate it. All right. Rob, I hope you enjoy it. Here it is. So excited for you. Okay, maybe put this to the side and finish my coffee. Here's a plunger. I am going to slowly push it down. Okay. Here's my beautiful mug that I brought over from Europe. My mommy gifted it to me. Pour some coffee in. All right. And my steamed milk. Doesn't this look fantastic? Okay, I do like my coffee with a little bit of sugar on, the marshmallows on top and a little bit of chocolate. Sometimes I do a little caramel drizzle. So the marshmallows, I like the tiny ones, the ones actually from the Swiss Miss marshmallows from the leftovers from my son's hot chocolates. Okay, so I'll just do a little bit of marshmallows. Fabulous. And I grated some chocolate. I had a lot of chocolate, like loose pieces. I would put them in Ziploc bags. So finally I got to it and just grated it, you know, and now I just use it for my coffee. So here's my beautiful coffee. So chicken is for you, Rob, and coffee is for me. Have a great day, you guys.